some smart
More variety from the 2000s to the 90s and today.
Star 1013.
Once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire, bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, this place misunderstood, knowing it's so good, it didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, undermated, look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You were wrong. Change the voices in your head. Make them like you. Look how we are making, filled with so much hate. I've done all I can think of. She's down. I've seen you do the same. Oh, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect. World's scared, so I swallow the fear. The only thing I should be drinking is an ice cold beer. So cool in line, and we try, but we try too hard. It's a waste of my time. Done looking for the critics, cause they're everywhere. They don't like my jeans, they don't get my hair. Exchange ourselves, and we do it all the time. Why do we do that? Why do I do that? Why do I do that? Yeah!
Isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand in me, fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting in the taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm thinking like, girl, even though I want your love, your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be my baby. 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 Come on. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. My heart is falling. I'm in love with your body. That you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Little hot today, would you say? But you know what? Here's the good news. It's supposed to be cooling off for us. I hope you're having a great Monday, Bay Area. I'm Hudson. Where's Star 113?
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can
2000s and today. That's Star 1013.
And how about more tickets into the Magic? The show skates into both Oakland and San Jose this October. And this week, there's 5 chances for you to win every weekday.
Wake up and win with Marcus and Corey at 8:05 a.m. Then win again at 5 after 10, noon, 2, and 4.
Playing Oakland Arena October 13th through 16th. And SAP Center San Jose October 19th through the 23rd. Book your tickets and visit 1013.com anytime for all of the contesting details.
It's Disney on Ice presents Into the Magic.
Win your tickets all week with Star 1013.
It's Marcus from The Morning Show. Your summer's about to go into high gear. Ice cream and frozen treats are 25% off at Whole Foods Market. This is July 6th through the 19th. We're talking 365 by Whole Foods Market, Ben & Jerry's, my wife's favorite Good Pop, more. And this is my favorite. Prime members save an extra 10% on sale items. You can stock up on treats with ingredients trust and a lot of brands that are local to you. It's the sale you've been waiting for all year. Ice cream and frozen treats, 25% off. Your local Whole Foods Market today.
Jay needs to move a couch across town. Beth lives nearby and has a truck she barely uses. Problem is, they don't know each other. Luckily, Beth is sharing her truck on the Get Around app, so Jay can rent it, while Beth plans a vacay with the money she just earned. Problem solved for Jay, who can even unlock the car from the app. To let you share your car or rent one for any occasion. Learn more at getaround.com.
Get in zone, AutoZone.
Welcome to AutoZone. Dashboard light problems? We can help. Our free Fix Finder service can read your check engine light, ABS light, and service indicator light, and give you possible solutions. Technicians. You'll even get detailed results sent straight to your email so you have them when you need it most. It's backed by technician verified fixes. The free Fix Finder service. Only at AutoZone.
Get in zone, AutoZone.
More details at AutoZone.com.
Hey, thanks for coming over, Jake from State Farm. Couldn't say no, Pablo. I love me some vinyl. When my budget doesn't, calling time, I'm collecting. Whoa! Don't give up what you love. State Farm has options like insurance. Ooh, that's music to my ears. All right, spin that vinyl. For surprisingly great rates, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
One of the highlights of my day is reaching for a bubbly, refreshing Health Aid kombucha when it's time for my gut and great for my mood. That's right. Did you know that happiness starts in the gut? Health Aid kombucha is more than just a tasty bubbly. It's got the probiotics your gut needs to operate at peak efficiency, supporting a healthy microbiome. It supports your overall mood, helping you feel, well, bubbly. So do yourself a solid and sip your way to that good gut feeling with Health Aid kombucha.
Gain presents a tale of longing and long-lasting scent. Dear love of my life, we were on the 12B bus when I caught a whiff. Fresh, so life-changing, I had to find its source. I didn't know if you were the woman in the pink freshly washed cardigan or the retired mailman next to me, but I knew one of you was my soulmate. Ah, the scent of Gain Flings. And longer-lasting scent.
For 170 years.
Since 1852.
Women who have received that small blue box from Shreve have looked at it and known
For sure.
that they are more precious than diamonds
More valuable than gold.
and very, very special.
Because a blue box from Shreve means that someone is still very much in.
Soon.
With a box in Shreve Blue just for you.
Shreve & Company at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Okay, let's add some gummy bears, cookie dough. My power bill.
Whoa, hell.
With Power Saver Rewards. When you use less energy, you kind of get paid for helping avoid outages.
And now you're going nuts on froyo toppings?
That's right. For my last topping, I want more froyo, please.
That's just the second one.
Third, I had one for brunch. Unplug an outage, get money back with Power Saver Rewards. Learn how at powersaverrewards.org. Earn for energy bill statement.
The cookout. I was just packing up my famous mac and cheese.
I hope you packed the
Too. Huh? Pepto-Bismol provides fast relief from heartburn and indigestion. You know, that uncomfortable feeling after you eat too much, and after the deviled eggs, baked beans, and barbecue ribs. You're gonna need it.
Barbecue ribs? I should probably pack an extra shirt, too.
Good call.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Pepto-Bismol. Use as directed. Keep out of reach of children.
Hey y'all, this is your girl Cheryl Underwood, and I want to tell you something. My digestion make me feel sluggish, but those days are over. Now I feel great. That's because I increased my fiber intake with the Metamucil 2-week challenge, and I'm still hooked. I just took Metamucil every day for 14 days, and it's really that easy. Metamucil traps and removes the waste that weighs you down, so you feel lighter and more energetic. Now I never want to go back to that heavy feeling. Are you ready for the Metamucil 2-week support? Sign up at Metamucil.com today.
The new Talkback Mike is now live on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, it's Corey from The Morning Show. Check this out. You can record and send a message to any of the hosts on Star, like Marcus, like me. Just open the free iHeartRadio app. You stream Star 1013, and when you see that little red microphone button next to the play button, you got to press that. Then you record your message.
From San Jose, I just wanted to leave you a message and let you guys know how much I love you and how much I love your trivia game. I love Second Date Update, but most of all, I really love Day Live. You guys have awesome chemistry, and we appreciate you. Much love.
The Talkback Mike, now on the free iHeartRadio app.